Today, I'm going to be covering or practicing this very important topic, bank reconciliation statement. So, what we mean by reconciliation here, basically, we have to reconcile the balance of our banking in SAP uh, with the actual bank. So, we have to ensure that these two balances are matched and there is no discrepancies. And there are mainly we create three bank account in SAP, particularly main bank account, outgoing and incoming. Outgoing and incoming are our clearing balances, and we have to transfer those balances to our main bank account, and at the end ensure that the balance of the main bank account is matched with our actual bank transactions. So that is what we mean by the bank reconciliation state. Let's begin with all the configuration. FPL3 and bank incoming outgoing. So the month end balance for outgoing and incoming balance should be 0. This can also be our month end activity. Let's see our incoming and outgoing GL for bank, and we need to check mark the open item management. Why we are doing it? Let me show you the GL first. So this is our GL for outgoing bank. It is a current asset, part of balance sheet, control data, and check mark open item management, only balance in local currency. Why we are doing it? Because this is a clearing account. We need to transfer all this balance into our main GL account, which is this one, main SBI account. Okay. So whatever entry you are posting for outgoing and incoming, it will remain in the open item. Why? Because we have check marked this thing, open item management here, and G005. Okay, see, so these are GLs. The background of this concept. Let's move to the configuration part. Bank accounting, SPRO, SAP reference IMG, financial accounting new, bank accounting, business transaction, payment transaction, and manual bank statement. First step is define posting keys and posting rules for manual bank statement. Let me check if there is any T code for the same. I think there is no T code for this. Let me see. Okay, there is no T code for this one. Define posting keys and posting rules for manual bank statement. This is our first step. Execute or IMG. Select your chart of account. Mine is 1001. Okay. New entries. First, we have to create the account symbol. To identify our GLs. My bank is SBI. SBI main bank 001. SBI incoming. Incoming SBI outgoing, and last is bank charges. Then enter save. Now assign accounts to account symbol. new entries. Incoming to outgoing. Save it. Next is create keys for posting rule. Again, new entry. It is 4-digit alphanumeric, and it is created only for incoming, outgoing, and bank charges, not for the main bank account. Let's create it. One. Payment transfer from incoming bank. Now, one. No. Bank charges. Okay. Enter. Save. Now let's go to define posting rules. New entries. Okay. So my first posting rule. One as I posting area. It is one bank accounting. Okay. Now first I am doing for incoming. So when we are making for incoming, when we are receiving any payment for the customer, the journal entry is incoming bank account debit to customer account. Now we have to transfer this incoming GL to the main bank. So entry would be main bank account debit to incoming bank. The bank is receiving the payment into their main bank account from incoming GL. So here main bank is getting debit. Posting key will be for debit. We have 40 posting key. Account symbol. What is our main bank account? It is 1001 SBI. Fine. Okay. For credit 50. And account symbol of incoming GL. What is our incoming GL? No. Not GL, the account symbol. SP, I think. I think A. Document type it is SA, GL, and posting type is first what we are clearing. We are clearing the credit part and transferring it to debit. So we have to take clear credit GL account and enter. See, it's giving you an error that do not specify a posting key on the credit side. Why? Because we are not making any posting to this GL 1001 incoming GL. We just need to transfer our balance from incoming to the main bank GL. That's what we are doing here in this step. So remove this and enter and save it. Again, new entry. Now, first we have done for incoming. Now we will do for outgoing, in which we have to make the payment to the vendor. So this one it was 1SOT. Posting area again 1. Posting key is a 40. Now see, when we are making payment to the vendor, so our entry is vendor account debit to outgoing bank GL. And now we have to transfer this outgoing bank GL to our main bank account. So entry would be outgoing GL account debit to main bank account. Okay, so here main bank account is getting credit. Fine. So for this, yeah, for main GL we need to add it here 50 account symbol our main GL SPI, that's it. And here select your outgoing account symbol SEI OT. Select your document type SA. Posting type will be clear debit GL account because we are not making any. Enter. See, you don't have to enter this. And I'm just showing you so that you get the concept that why we are not entering here 40 and in the previous one 50, why we didn't enter, because here we are transferring the balance to the 51. We are not making any entry to the debit side. Okay, just look at your the main after reversing the entry. What is your main bank GL? Is it getting debit or credit? If it is getting credit, then make entry like this um, and save it. Next, we have to do for bank charges. New entry for bank charges. It was 1SPC, I think. Posting area 1 should be 40. Account symbol bank charges debit to main bank account. This is a journal entry for bank charges. So again, our account symbol for ABC. Right? Posting key here is 50. And what is our main bank account symbol? SBI. Select your document type and this post to GL account. Enter. I think I have not created the GL for bank charges. How come? Okay, 1001 BC. Fine. Save this one as well. Now let's go back. Next step is create and assign business transaction. T code is OT52, IMG and new entry. Again, we have to create 4-digit alphanumeric transaction. So let's take it same as we have done for the posting rule. 1 as IN plus posting rule 1 as IN. Text is payment transfer from incoming bank. 1 as OT. Okay. For outgoing payment, the balance gets deducted. So minus and for bank charges 1 as BC. Again bank charges are also deducted. Enter and save. Okay, here what is it? Now what we have to do, we need to create a variant for manual bank statement. So come to this. OT43 T code is for creating variant. Select just give me a minute. Okay, here you have to select your no, just give me a minute. Um okay, from here you can create 1001 is already created. Let's take 1002 variant for 1001 my company code. Fine. These are the current fields and these are the possible fields. So if you want to add any new field to your statement, you can just let's say double click on this and right click and click on standard offset. And if you want to remove this, double click and from here you can delete this. Now after adding all your possible fields into current fields, when it is your last one, you need to click on this standard offset plus length, so it will um, pick it up automatically. These are the length for your transaction value, date, amount, whatever it is. And now you can just save it. So our variant is 1002. Create your request 1001. the description. Variant 1002, screen 8005 created successfully. So, okay. Hmm. This should be fine. So, until now, we have done all the configuration that we require for the bank reconciliation statement. Now, let's move towards the end user part. Go to your end user screen. T code is FF67 and path is accounting, financial accounting. Should be banks. Then incoming, and then bank statement FF67 manual entry. Double click on this. What was your variant? Enter this. What did I miss? Hmm, should be one, I suppose. Variant 1002 is not active. Let me check this. Okay, you need to activate this as well. Double click on. No, not double click. Select this. Variant 1002 was activated. You need to click on this mark. Again, save it. Okay, let's see now. Fine. Now select the bank key FI12 /n FI12. Let's write my bank key is this. Copy bank account. And currency INR statement number. This is our first statement date. Opening balance is 0 currently. Now to check your closing balance, again come back here. You need to go FPL3N. All items, select your incoming and outgoing GLs. My incoming and outgoing. Execute. Lower limit is greater than. Acha, okay. This is new. Okay, my outgoing account is balance is 64,500 and for incoming it is 33k. So how do we calculate our closing balance? Incoming minus outgoing, 33 minus. Okay, it's going to be negative then. My incoming balance is less. outgoing is more. So let's pass an invoice first. It is customer post incoming payment. Select your customer account. Process of an item. Okay, fine. And now we can check this. Sixty 1,83,000 minus 64,500. Fine. This is our closing balance. 1,18,500. Yes, it is our first statement. Enter. Again, now select your what we created as IN. Incoming balance is, what is our incoming? 1,83,000. 1 as OT. Outgoing we have 64,500 and 1 HPC. Do we have an entry for? Let's see. There is no entry actually for bank charges. So just leave this, I think, blank. Now enter validate. Okay. There are no transactions that have this amounts plus or minus sign. I did some mistake somewhere. Maybe I skipped some stuff. Seems fine. Incoming is 183. Sixty-four. Okay, I did not mark this sign actually, that is why it was giving me an error. So amount entered must always be equal to bank statement. That's when we know we have, there is no error. We have done all the configuration correctly. 118500 equals 118500. Now I think save it. Click on overview. No, actually, again save. It's taking time. Now go to system, services, batch input, sessions. Okay, select your session, process, and display errors only, process. Okay, now it's giving me an error. Entry 1001 is missing in table 2043. So this error is related to tolerance for GL. So to resolve this, we need to go to OBAO, open a new session slash OBA0 slash OBA0. Okay, new entries, company code 1000, tolerance for GL, save it. Go back to your error and now click on process open item. Okay, first we have to clear for select all. Non-assigned non should be 0. So clean is select all. How do I select all? Okay. Okay, it is 0. Save. Select process. Something is wrong. Something is wrong. I don't know. Something is wrong. Let's check the balance first. Okay, incoming SBI Bank. All item is clear now. Let's check the main GL account. All clear. 151 500. Hmm. FEBAN. This is the whole process of bank reconciliation statement, but in the end I am